Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr.BuyitWright. Today we're taking a peek at one of the newest vehicles to re-enter the Honda lineup. This is the 2020 Honda Passport Touring. Let's take a peek. Right away you're going to notice the LED headlights and daytime running lights, as well as your LED fog lights just down below. Now you have proximity sensors all the way around, so that's what the little nubs are that you're going to notice. Your beautiful black rims on this really add to the rugged style that you can see on the Passport. On the Touring you also have the roof bars here. Coming around back, this is a power hatch that also has the kick function that I'll show you in a moment. So you kick underneath like you're kicking a field goal, and that's going to open up for you if your hands are full. Give you the full walk around. We'll take a look inside as well. The Passport, you get these keyless proximity door keys. Now you do have a remote engine starter on this vehicle. This is also the driver 2 key because you have 2 memory settings, so you can save your seat settings. You don't have to play around with them if you have multiple drivers. But when you have this fob on, you all have to do is walk up to the door now, grab the handle, it's going to unlock. If you want to relock it when you're walking away, you just tap this little black button. And there are loads of convenience features inside, like your fully leather, heated and ventilated seats, power adjustable with lumbar support, and like I said, your memory settings, you set them right here. On your heated leather wrapped steering wheel, you have 4-inch controls right at your fingertips. First thing I want to point out, with your heated steering wheel on, it's not just this section like on most cars. Your entire wheel is heated all the way around. Most brands do not do that, Honda does. On the right here, you do have your adaptive cruise control with your low speed follow and lane keep assist. When you turn these on, it'll display it right behind for you. So this is where you choose how many car lengths you want to be behind the person in front of you. It will fall behind them at their speed until they get out of your way. It goes right back up to the speed that you set your cruise to. This is your lane keep assist. When you put that on, it's going to show you if it's working or not inside on the back panel here. Now what that does is when you're going over 70 kilometers an hour, will keep you inside the lines and give you a little assist to make sure you don't drift away. On the left, you have your menu controls, Bluetooth controls, voice control. All of this is for your media, skipping tracks back and forth, switching radio stations. So I'll show you the home screen here on your digital display. You can flip between a bunch of different displays. You can have your trip computer up, your all-wheel drive information, your Bluetooth, navigation turn by turn, your media, maintenance, settings of course, and then this just switches between kilometers per hour and miles per hour very quickly for you if you take a trip down to the States. Just down below here you have your econ mode button, so you pop that on if you want to save some money on gas. This is your power mirrors, which are heated. Some of your Honda sensing features like your forward collision warning, lane mitigation, front windshield de-icer, and you can turn your proximity sensors on and off with the button down here. And on the door, programmable memory seating, that's how you set it between your driver 1 and driver 2, and your power windows and door locks. On the dash, you have this absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display. It is very user-friendly, fully customizable, so you can change where the buttons are and what buttons you do show. This navigation is, again, very easy to use, very clean looking. This is a display for your backup camera. Now it's going to show you a couple different views here. This is your wide angle view. This is good for when you're backing out of space and everybody's coming beside you, you will see them. This is your regular view. Now as you turn the wheel, it's going to let you know where your vehicle is going to wind up there, give you a little bit of an assist. And you can look straight down as well. Right along here is our rear bumper. This is great for when you're backing in to something you need to get close to, like another vehicle or a wall. You can get really close without having to worry about hitting anything. And of course, your proximity sensors are going to let you know when you do get close as well. Just down below here is your dual zone climate control panel. Like I said, your heated and ventilated seats with 3 settings for each. Ventilated seats are very cool. It's like having AC inside your seat. Keeps you from having that back sweat that we all hate. You have a little change compartment here. Connection for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto via USB right here. With that, you can load up maps from your Google Maps onto the screen, Spotify, any of your compatible apps will load up on screen for you. Of course, the wireless charging pad, toss your phone on there, it'll charge it wirelessly. Your gear selector is a little different now. It's push button instead of a shifter that you'd have to pull back and forth. Very simple to use though, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport, just like any other shifter there. You have your auto start stop feature here. It's going to also help save you some money on gas by reducing your idle time. And this button right here changes your drive modes. It'll display on screen here what you're in. So right now it's normal. You can go into snow, mud, or sand mode. Then you have this huge center console with plenty of storage. I love the styling on it as well. It looks very carbon fiber. And you have an additional USB charging port down here. It's another 2.5 amp, so it is a quick charging. As you can see, the trimmings inside on the Passport are just gorgeous. Very simple, very refined. Black trim all the way through. Very excited to have this in the Honda lineup. You'll have your power sunroof, so it's a one-touch system. Push it back one time, it's going to open up here for you. One touch to close it back up again. You also have, right beside the mirrors on the inside instead of on the outside, that is your blind spot monitoring. So if anybody's in your blind spot, this will light up for you, let you know if anybody's there on both sides. I love that it's on the inside because now it can't get coated in snow or anything where you can't see it. Let's take a look in the back. Comfort continues in the back of the Passport, again with full leather seats here. They are heated. You have the controls for your rear climate back here, as well as those heated seats with 3 settings each side. You have 2 USB quick charge ports down here that are 2.5 amp, as well as a accessory 115 volt plug here. See that? Your rear AC vents, and a folding down center armrest and cup holders. Now these seats are very easy to lay down. You just pull this lever, it'll lay down flat for you. You can also adjust them by pulling that little bar underneath to move them back and forth for extra storage at the back or extra leg room in the front. To open your rear power hatch, you do have a couple options here. You can use the control inside the vehicle on your remote, or like I'm about to demonstrate, you can do the kicking motion just underneath here. It'll pop open for you just like that. And you have tons of storage space back here. It's absolutely massive. Very easy to lay down your seats as well. You just simply push this button right here and down it'll go. You also have a couple storage compartments on each side just to hold some bottles or anything you don't want rolling around. And then you also have another power outlet here. And another storage compartment just down below as well. Thank you for watching. If you're in the market for a new Passport, go ahead and call and text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information or to arrange your test drive, and I'll put you in my next gift card giveaway.